theater workshop that you guys did last year was extremely positive. People really liked the format in which it was done because a lot of people could relate to it, right? If you look at the percentage of our employee base, about 75% are less than 30-year-olds. For a lot of them, this is the first workplace that they're working in. So understanding how the POSH policy works, how the framework relating to POSH works in an organization setup was by itself very new to them. And seeing it in a theater format, I think they could resonate it as youngsters much better than reading a policy or just going through a video, which is one way. So the reaction was positive. Two ways of looking at it as to what was the outcome of that. One is, did people really speak up and speak up when they saw instances of harassment? We haven't seen increase in the complaints since last year as compared to the previous years. So to say that people really did people speak up after going through these trainings, I would want to give it a positive twist to say that people have understood what not to do, right? So the harassment instances were much lesser, and that is why I would think that the complaints which were registered were also much lesser. When I randomly speak to a lot of employees in the organization, I do, get that confidence that people understand the subject much better than they were understanding it in the past. The world works on public demand. So, because we got such great reactions from our associates last year, people resonated with this full format. So we thought that while we are also exploring other options of, doing the awareness programs, theater was definitely one of the formats that we definitely want to keep and will continue to keep as we create more awareness trainings for our associates. For the leadership group, we thought of theater because a lot of our leaders were pretty new, and this was their first year when they were witnessing the POSH Awareness Month and looking at these initiatives. Some of them had not experienced the theater workshops like they did last year, and we wanted to cover them all. So we thought theater is going to be pretty interesting, given the COVID situation also, because physically we are not in the same office. We wanted the a format which could have the same kind of impact which would be otherwise when we are in a office kind of a setup. And theater, I thought, was a no-brainer to choose. The leadership, I know that our teams, both my team as well as your team, we did a lot of work in the back end to filter out and to be very sure of what would resonate well with the leadership group. And because I understand what this group is like, what are their backgrounds and where they come from, I think I was able to curate what was more logical for them to see and hear. From their standpoint, if I were to look at the feedback that I got was, one, the whole the leadership qualities that you spoke about initially in the session. That is something that people take it for granted. They don't really apply their mind to say who is of a particular leadership style, who is, each of their associates can come with different quality or style. So this was something that really got in the forefront for them to start thinking of when they're dealing with different personalities. The other positive feedback that we got was they really enjoyed the short stories that you spoke about, and then pass the baton to them to say how you would deal in this situation if you were a manager. So keeping it extremely crisp, being sensitive to their time, but still being able to convey the message is something that was really liked by our leadership group. They were, I think, when I was when we set up this meeting, and people were like, never heard of Posh being done online through online videos. It's always, and especially when we say that a theater group is doing it for you. For people, when they think of theater, it's always like, it's a physical setup where you're seeing a live performance. You can see the expression of the actors. So that is what is a typical theater kind of an experience for everyone. So when we said we wanted to do online theater, people were like, don't know how it's going to be. Will it be that effective? Will we be able to see the expressions, or will we be able to clearly get the message from the actors? But I think kudos to the Yours Truly team. You guys seamlessly transitioned from physical setup to an online setup, and you were like pretty quick to kind of get used to the entire COVID kind of a pandemic situation, and still seamlessly offer your creative solutions even through the online medium. To yours truly by another colleague of mine. So I had not explored, theater frankly in a corporate setup. But one of my colleagues, when she said that this is something that I could explore, because I was constantly kind of, thinking what is another way of keeping my audience engaged. How can I create a new format in which I can talk to my associates and send the message across. So she said maybe I can try theater. And when I spoke with a couple of other organizations who with whom you guys have worked, I got pretty positive feedback. So I think from the start it was like I had a feeling that it is going to be a win-win kind of a situation for both. And it really turned out to be that way. So we've been working with yours truly for close to 2 years now. The formats are excellent. You never kind of come up with something which is mediocre. I tell you that this is what I want you to address, and you will definitely have three or four options. And it's like I'm spoiled for choices rather than the lack of choices. Even this time when I said I wanted to do something for leadership, and it has to be online, and it has to be posh, and a lot of people are new to the organization, you exactly knew that what are the three four formats that will work. You gave me all the options, and you worked with us to say what can and cannot be done. So the association has been great. I would like to kind of call out that you guys have had some really creative content. Your unique solutions during pandemic is very, very appreciated and need of the hour. So I look forward to continuing this association.